that is deep. I didn't think it was that deep. Wow.
I didn't either. It's like a steep.
Tire on the right's not even spinning. Go winch him out, Wade. Let's try. Put your winch test. Here, I'll just film you on mine and give you a copy of it.
Okay. I'm gonna go through it.
I'll just film you and give you a copy of mine. Wayne, I wouldn't do it, man. Don't do it, Wayne. You're getting stuck. Alright.
Going through it?
I'll go through it.
Yeah, you'll make it.
I got a little more clearance. I think you bottomed out.
Yeah, that's what mine did. Where's your hook at? There we go.
I wouldn't do it, Wayne. We're gonna be walking home, man.